I made a copper rose trellis out of copper plumbing to replace this old broken down wooden trellis. And you can watch the whole project here, including a time lapse that will have humorous little jokes if I can come up with humorous jokes. But you can also learn how to make this trellis. Enjoy. Oh, there's a ladder. Oh, I brought a different ladder. I think that ladder will work better. Well, where did I go? Oh, I went the other way. I got my pole. Let's see. Measure the pole. Measure the spot. Measure the pole. Measure the spot. Get a level. Leave. Come back. Measure the pole. Is the pole level? Make sure the pole's level. Is the pole still level? Hammer the pole. Is the pole level? Hammer the pole. Is the pole level? Hammer the pole. Is the pole level? Hammer the pole. Move the ladder. Move the ladder. Hammer the pole. Hammer the pole. Move the ladder. Hammer the pole. Check, see if it's level. Hammer the pole. Move the ladder. Hammer the pole. Move the ladder. Leave. Come back. Leave. Come back. Run. 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 Oh, there's my girlfriend. She's going to help me by sitting there telling me what to do. You're doing it wrong. No, I'm not doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong. Fine, I'm going to leave. All right, fine. I'll just take apart this old trellis. Take apart a board. Take apart a board. I'm going to take apart the old trellis. I'm taking apart the old trellis. And taking off another part of the old trellis. And another part of the old trellis. Looking around, taking part of the old trellis. Reach through the ladder. Oh, girlfriend's back. You better do this project right or you're in trouble. That's what she said. I pointed, no, I'm not in trouble. I can just take this board off anytime I want. You can't tell me what to do. Why you tell me what to do? Look at this over here. No, you don't understand. No, you're not. And I'll just wrap all this stuff up like this and just wrap it up and then stick them or wrapping up here and wrapping around up and poke it with a stick and wrap it around, go it around. Yeah, how comes you don't have this done yet? I told you yesterday to have this. Hey, woman, get out of here. I told you to get this done yesterday, woman. You get out of here. Okay, hold the ladder for me then. I'm just going to hold the ladder and wrap this stuff here, and then I'll just let my husband fall. My boyfriend. Oh. Run around, move the ladder. Move the ladder. Out comes you can't hold the ladder better. Okay, I'll wrap it with the thing. Move around. Oh, there you are. Just stop. Oh, there's the copper thing. We got to put it on there. I told you that one. Stop. You moved it. Yeah, that's a copper thing. And then I told you that it was copper, and you said it was copper, and then I told you it was copper. Then you have to clamp it, and then you go on the screen. You go off to the left, and come back on the right. Off to the left, off to the right. And here is the rose trellis, just a couple of weeks later after the roses have bloomed. Isn't it a beauty?